Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete history on YouTube in PC. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser on your laptop. Now, go to the search bar and type YouTube. After typing YouTube, click on the Enter button. Once you click on the Enter button, a new tab will start to open. Once the new tab is open, you will see there are a lot of links. Just click on YouTube. After clicking on YouTube, a new window will start to open in front of you. You can see that there is no option in the dashboard of YouTube about voice history. To find the watch history, you have to click on the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and after clicking, a small format will open on the left side of the screen where you can see the option of history. Click on it. After clicking, a new window will start to open. Now, you can see that this is my YouTube history now. Click on the button where you can see it says Clear All Watch History on YouTube. Click on that button. Once this format opens, click on the Clear Watch History. After clicking, this format will close, and in a few seconds, your entire watch history will be removed. That's the way to clear watch history on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.